Hi there, guys. I'm coming back at you with another video, and this time this is another unboxing video. And I have some things I just want to go ahead and be able to take them out of the box. And as you can see, excuse me, this video is from Red Iguana. Alright, so now I'm going to move that box out of the way so that I can get to what I need to get to. Okay. Right here we have a red iguana. And I did order another hand. I have the left hand, so I ordered the right hand. And as you know, it comes with the discount code and instructions on how to use your hand. And it also has the jewelry. This one came with a ring, another ring, and another bracelet. And I am glad about that. And as you can see, I have not opened this. And it says, "Thank you for choosing our Red Iguana Silicone Practice Hand. We appreciate your support and can't wait to see your creations." And it has the website address on here. It also says, "Your perfect model is here." And I love her boxes. I really do. And I also want to do a opening of the short stand that I ordered. Another one of the stands to hold the hand. Very nice, very sturdy and strong. All right, let's get back to the hand. It comes wrapped in this nice paper, and it also comes in this mesh bag. And this one is just as nice and wonderful as the other one that I have, which now you can see that I have both of them. And they are, as you can, this one's also posable. Oh, I love these hands. I love her hands. I just do. And so now I have both hands. I wanted to show the nails that I'm using in the hand right here. And these are the E-Nail Couture nail tips. And what I do is, I think these are the biggest ones. This is just something that I do myself. You don't necessarily have to do it, but I do. I take the nail and I just clip off the edge. I'm gonna close that back up. And then I take and I place it in the hand this way, in the canal. And she has nice deep canals. And then I place it like that. And that way you can just place a tip on the end to do the nail, the full nail. I've got a nail here that was done in the other hand, and I did not cut the tip off of it, but it's optional if you want to. Thinking like, could always do it like this. See? And you have a nail tip. And as I said, I have that ring, and here is the other bracelet and the ring for this hand. I'm not going to put them on right now, but as you can see, they are both really, really nice. And I do so much enjoy my red iguana hands. As you can see, I think the camera may pick it up. There is a little dust on this hand. And all I do is take a rag, a damp rag, and you can put a little soap on it if you want. But I just mainly take a little damp rag and I wipe down the hand. And it removes all the dust from the hand. And since they are posable, you can go between the fingers and wipe down between each finger. And then you have a two nice clean hands. And they look absolutely gorgeous, guys. I am very much going to enjoy playing around with these. Oh yeah, and both of them are in the Analusa. And now you can go over to Red Iguana and you can pre-order the hands. And I'm sure you guys will enjoy the Red Iguana hands. It takes about 3 weeks because she's back ordered. But go ahead, guys, and enjoy.